Test, test, test. What's going on? Yo, what's going on? Let me know how we sounding. Let me know how we sounding. Hope you had a great weekend. It was a great weekend for me. Hope it was a good one for y'all. Crypto's still pumping. Check y'all's accounts. Crypto's still going crazy as we speak. New Bitcoin, Ethereum Solana analysis dropping today as well. If y'all checked out last week's video, or y'all just been invested or keeping up for the past couple months, they've been going insane, especially Solana. Solana just went crazy over the weekend, as well as some other altcoins. So make sure to be on the lookout for that. So also from the Sunday chart analysis, a few charts already did some nice moves. We all watched the Sunday chart analysis I dropped last night. You can see right here, I dropped this at 9:24. There's more than one person that watched this. It just got to get refreshed, right? But that's besides the point. You see we dropped this at 9:24 p.m. And then we can see here, after that, right, this was 9 o'clock right here. This is 9:15 candlestick. So after I was doing that video and after it dropped, we can see gold did the move we was looking for. NAS started to do the move we was talking about as well. And then GN did a nice move as well. So we got some retraces going on with the currency pairs. And again, it is a US holiday today, bank holiday. So do keep that in mind as well. But we do got a few setups we're looking at. We're just simply just waiting for volume and our confirmations to be met. Make sure to go ahead and hit that like button, y'all. And subscribe if you're not subscribed already. We just hit 2,900 subscribers. Shout out to all the new subscribers. Shout out to all the subscribers. But, 3K is just right around the corner. You guys got any questions, drop in the chat. And we can be charged up in the chat. But you already know the drill. We're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Yeah, but crypto's just going somewhere right now. Give me 1 second, y'all. Don't just join the stream. We are not into this trade yet. This is just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join a free signal or free Telegram. Y'all see on your screens how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. What's going on, y'all? I see y'all up in here. I was just looking at my portfolios. What we got up here? What's going on, Hood Harvest? What's up? What's up? What's up? What do you think about the Trump coin? It's good money. A lot of people relate to the party though. It was one of those things. There's like a lot of meme coins. Like if you're not there at the beginning when it first it becomes public, you're not gonna get the best position, especially when it comes to the Trump coin. Now, last I looked at it, was like balancing between $60 to $65. And it's not on Coinbase or any of the main stuff yet. I have nothing against it. It's just like any other coin. You just got to get in at the correct place and have a game plan and stuff like that. But I'm already late to the party, so I'm not really messing with it because that thing already is at $50. Again, he's about to come into office, and there is potential that that coin can go up even more, and he's probably going to try to use that coin for certain events and stuff like that. But as of now, I'm not in it or anything like that. But I do see, because this Trump we're talking about at the end of the day, he didn't just do that to do a pump and dump. He's probably going to use that in the future. Class and session, let them know, let them know. What's going on, Jordan? I see you up in here. So, again, like we was talking about in the beginning of the live stream, a few charts are already starting to go as projected for the Sunday chart analysis. Right now, we're just waiting for our confirmation for the next possible setups, things like that. We're going to start breaking this stuff down in a second. Move that over. Now, I see the GM can finally break this level here as well. And GM can break the whole 1700 as resistance. We can look for sales going through 1640. That's what we're going to be looking at right here. Jeez. Here's going crazy too. Oh my goodness. Crypto's going crazy. So again, y'all, when it comes to day trading, it's slightly different from long-term investing. If you're doing long-term investing, there are obviously downtrends when it comes to long-term investing. But at the end of the day, you're holding. You can only make money when it increases in value, right? So that's why it's so important to still get in at key price levels. That way, you have the best place to possibly not only make money at, but you're entering where the next possible bounce or push to upside can be at, right? So, give me 1 second. We can break that down in a second. Rather, Milana went absolutely crazy over the weekend. I remember it was Friday night, and I was just checking my portfolio like usual, and then I saw a bigger jump or increase. My overall bounce. I was like, the heck, let me look at this. And it was Solana. Solana finally woke up, y'all. Because again, if we just look at the daily, we can see here since December, right, November, price rejected this level at 260. And since December, it's just been chilling between these two levels. Again, you would have bought here, you would have been up right now, right? If you would have bought December 20th or even January 6th at this level, right, you'd be up right now. Right, so again, and that's just a couple weeks. You'll be surprised what can happen in a few weeks, a few months. And that's just simply not just because it's a bullish cycle right now, but simply just entering at good price points. And again, with all the crypto videos, I go over specific price points where I consider or recommend looking to enter in DCA and DCA out at. So right now, it's about to try to break this resistance level. So if it can break and hold that level as support, so I'm just about to go crazy. But again, update video dropping later on today for that Bitcoin and Ethereum. So be on the lookout for that. Looks like the GBP pair is about to make another push to the downside. Again, we are looking for sells on these. GU, we are still bearish, but if y'all was on the live streams or just on the charts at all trying to trade last week, we know that a lot of these charts were kind of struggling to make those next moves after having 2 consecutive weeks of just big drops, right? We caught that initial lower low here, also got this initial lower low, and then last week price just chilled here. So we're about to see if we can get back to the action. Right. So if GU can break and hold 2185 as resistance, we can look for sales going to 2140. That's what we're going to do right there. So let's see what this does for us. Yeah, Chainlink's going absolutely insane right now. Jeez Louise. I don't got Chainlink. I just dropped a video last week doing an update on Chainlink. So make sure to check that out, y'all. It's nothing else about to drop in the chat right now. It's literally my most recent video. I got a stock video dropping for y'all today, though. So it's going to be a double upload today because that's just how I'm feeling. So we're going to be doing the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and then we're going to have a stock video. I was supposed to do it last week, but I did not do it. So I got to make up for it. So I'm going to double upload today. The channel is going crazy. Again, I just dropped an analysis last week on it. It was in the video. I guess it was the most recent one, I'm pretty sure. But just to show y'all, right? Just to show y'all just why y'all just gotta just put money aside, y'all. And I'm gonna make a video too, giving y'all tips on how to I don't want to say it's necessarily a budgeting video, but it kind of goes hand in hand with budgeting. That's gonna be just mainly just about investing and stuff like that. Especially what I did while I was working and stuff as well. Let me show y'all some. All right, so this is in the crypto telegram, and again, watch this on the chart now. So I tell you how to join the crypto telegram. So Polkadot's a little down right now. Hold on, let me pull up my tweet real quick. So I'm not making nothing out. And like always, y'all, the audio gets bad. Just always let me know and I'll fix it. But yeah, we're still looking for setups, but as we can see on our screen, we're waiting for our confirmation. So we have our alert, so we're not missing anything. Those jumping in, we're not missing anything. The charts aren't running away from us. We still are simply waiting for price to come to us. We don't chase the charts. We let price come to us. That's the best way to trade. You let price come to you. All right, Phil. And pull this up real quick. Yeah, so polka dots are going down right now. That change, so absolutely crazy. Pull this up. All right. So I should have probably did it like this. There we go. All right, so this is for my video I dropped right before the new year began. Right, this was like I think like the last week of December. I was like top 3 people to buy before 2025 begins. I talked about polka dot. It was at like $7 and like 15 or something like that. Last week it retraced like last night or 2 nights ago. It was at 7.39. It retraced. It's not at 7.39. It just like went back below $7. Right. And Chainlink at the time it was at $22 at the time of this video. It says 2 weeks ago. It's about 3 weeks ago now. Right. So literally 3 weeks. Chainlink went from $22. Well, I think it went a little bit lower, but at the time of this video, it was $22. Right. Whoops. It was $24. It was at $24 last week. Now y'all hop on Chainlink now and see how much Chainlink is. I'm about to do it for y'all as well. But hop on the Chainlink right now and see where Chainlink's at. I'm about to show you where Chainlink's at right now. I'm about to show you right now. Give me a second. All right, where are we at? There it is. I just had to send it to myself. I think it's at 2660. Right. And actually retrace. It said it went down to even 22. I bought some more last night because I usually do Sunday night shopping. But again, literally just 3 weeks. Again, you'll be surprised what could happen when you enter at key price levels. You're investing in something that's good. Because again, all these coins I talk about, I don't just talk about them because they're trending or whatever. I talk about them because one, it makes sense what they're trying to do, and actually, that's why in the videos you always got to do research. You always want to do research on these coins. But all the coins I'm in, I've done some research on. It makes sense the purpose they're trying to do or fulfill, and the prices are good, right? And I like how the charts are looking, right? So then all these these y'all invest in as well. Y'all should do research on where y'all should just blindly invest in things. You know what I'm saying? You're just blindly investing. I don't really understand what's happening. I believe in it, right? That's besides the point. Looks like GU might try to do something for us. We have a new 5-minute just popped up in about 3 minutes until the next 15 pops up. Had a great week last week, y'all. Went 3-1 last week. Technically 4-1, but again, that NAS trade we took on Monday, I was not able to post in time to signal, so that doesn't count. And then the Friday trade that had the SO get hit, it was a GU sell, right? I'm pretty sure it was a GU sell. I don't see it on my screen. So either I didn't place that trade idea on my trading view. Let me go back to the advanced play signal. Pretty sure it was a GU sell. Let me see. It was. It was the 17. Oh, I done moved my thing over. That's what I did. Okay, so I'll just replace it. So we took a trade. I'm gonna show y'all it too. So this is an old signal, by the way. Again, this is an old signal. Old signal. Do not take this trade. Do not take this trade. Okay, cool. I said it. All right. So I don't need nobody DM me. I just said they'll take the setup. All right, so this is the setup we took on Friday, right? See 21 Eagles entry, SL 2225. So I'm just going to place this here, 180, 2245, setup right here, cool right now, right? So, what time did we enter this trade? I entered that that was something like here. After two tests, right? So, right after it was wrong, this canceled off the retest, right? So it hit our stop loss, and then it shot back down after it hit our stop loss, and then hit like a couple TPs for us, right? So that would have hit stop loss first, then we're back in our favor. We also had a similar move like this happen, where with GJ, we caught a move, and then it rejected, and then dumped. That should happen sometimes, but again, that's why it's important to go with the floor price. Again, understand why you're taking this trade or this investment. All right. So that's how we did last week. Last week we went 3-1. Not bad at all, given to 75% win rates. The week prior to that, we went 6-0. So we only took one loss so far this month, which is not bad at all. And of course, how we wrapped up last year, 2024. If you scroll to January 3rd, you'll see how we ended quarter four. October went 15-1, catching 14,935 pips. November went 14-1, catching 14,549 pips. And then December went 12-2, catching 2,746 pips. In the quarter, 41-4, gives a 91% win rate, catching a total of 32,230 pips. Again, you click right here, it's going to take you to October. Always a loss posted, all that good stuff. Again, first in the description to check all that stuff out. So new 15 did just pop up. Again, it is Monday. So we're just simply just waiting for volume to kick in on top of it being a bank holiday for USD today as well. Now, again, NAS did do a decent move, but it's going to be interesting to see what happens going into New York session with those pairs. So I am going to be paying attention to those, but I'm mainly going to be paying attention to GJ and GN. I really want to look for a setup on GJ and GN. And we also have GP news tomorrow as well. So it's going to be very interesting to see what happens today. Again, a lot of these charts did news already. When markets opened last night, so we're just waiting for the next wave of volume. GU is kind of teasing us right now, but again, we don't chase trades and we don't rush trades. We're simply waiting for our confirmations to be met. Again, if GU can hold 2190 as a resistance, we can look for sales going to 2135. That's what we're looking for right now. We caught nice drops the previous 2 weeks. We're just waiting for price to break this next level and be able to hold it as resistance, right? Because we can see here our price has just been ranging here ever since we dropped down. New 15 popped up, y'all. Again, as we can see here, nothing's really changed from when we've been live. GJ is pushing slowly back down, but GU still got a little bit of work to do. So we're going to see what goes into this next hour. But again, we got alerts and we clearly see what's going on. And again, it's Monday. Mondays and Tuesdays. Now, last week was a little bit different because last week was straight to the action, but usually Mondays and Tuesdays are the slower days out the week. Those just joined the stream. We have not entered this trade yet. It's just a trade idea. Make sure to hit that first link in the description and join the free signal free Telegram, y'all. Y'all see on your screens how we did last month and last quarter. Go ahead and hit that first link and check it out for yourselves. You guys got any questions? Drop them in the chat. Want to look at any charts? Drop them in the chat. But we're just chilling, patiently waiting right now. Let's see what's going to break this for us, though. Almost did last 15. Let's see what's going to do it this time. Looks like the market's about to wake up. Let's see if GU can hold this level. Again, if GU can hold 21.85 as resistance, we can look for ourselves going to 21.35. What's your thoughts on EU? I got you. Give me 1 second. I got you. If anyone else wants to look at any charts, drop them in the chat, and we can talk about it and break it down. But let me pull it up. I don't think I might have to update my levels because I haven't traded EU in a minute. Let's take a look. Oh, I already got my levels marked off. Look at that. Amazing how life works. So EU is kind of the same as GU, but it's kind of struggling a little bit more than GU is, right? So we pull up GU. We see similarities, but we also see clear differences, right? Right. So GU is definitely moving a lot smoother than EU is, but they both are still bearish. But as long as EU can respect 325 as resistance, we can still look for sales on EU. But GU looks like it has a lot more bearish momentum just by the wicks and the candlestick closing. You see what I'm saying? But that's what I see with EU. That's what I see with EU. Yeah, it looks like the GJ. How do I put this here? Why is it doing that? Wow, you're doing maintenance. Okay. Cause like, why is my alert keep on jumping back down? They're doing maintenance right now. Okay, well, you gotta do what you gotta do. Make sure the app run and the program runs smoothly. Yeah, but G just broke this level, so let's see if we can hold this level right here, yo. Again, y'all, make sure you hit that first link in the description, join the free signal and free Telegram. You see on your screen how we did last month and last quarter. Hit that first link to check it out for yourselves. Again, went over how we ended quarter 4, but if you scroll to, I think, January 6th, you'll see how we ended the year. So for the year total, so I've been saying all the months for like a week or two straight. I don't feel like doing it today. So y'all can read this, right? But this is how we did every single month last year. I tallied all this stuff up. Y'all can tally and do the math yourself if y'all want. I put it all here. But we ended last year 181 wins, only 23 losses, 12 months combined, which is not bad at all. 23 losses in 12 months is an average of not even 2 complete losses a month. So that's not bad at all, right? So we average 1.91 losses a month, which is not bad at all. And then giving us 89% win rate. for the entire year. And then we caught a total of 326,550 pips. So we absolutely dominated last year. Again, you can see this by scrolling January 6th. You click right here, it's going to take you to the beginning of the year. This is how we did January. We started out 20. You go to where it says subscribers, you go to photos, over 1,000 photos, 3 years worth of receipts, screenshots, positions, screenshots of signals, as well as student results and testimonials. So make sure to click that first link in the description and explore and check all this stuff out. You know what I'm saying? We got students passing challenges, we got students making bread, all that good stuff. And again, all these trades we take in the signal room, we break down, if not as well, during these London session lives, as well as break down and go over during the Sunday chart analysis. So again, we see GU just broke this level. We see price reacting. Again, we don't just need price to break this level. We need it to be held as resistance, because besides these two setups on Sunday night going into Monday and then Tuesday, the rest of last week price failed to hold this level as resistance. All right, so that's what we're going to be looking for right here. Oh yeah, and TikTok, y'all. This I don't need to laugh, but you know I'm gonna chuckle a little bit. But again, the whole, if you're on America, the whole ban stuff. If y'all don't understand how bans work, especially with apps, use TikTok as a perfect example, right? So I don't know how old everybody is in here, but I remember back in the day when I was in like middle school, there was an app, a video game. Well, not a video game. Well, technically, it was a game in the App Store called Flappy Bird. It's a very simple game, right? You look it up, you probably see it, but you can't download it on the App Store no more. There's knockoffs and a bunch of new versions of it, but the actual OG version was called Flappy Bird. And long story short, it got banned. It didn't get banned; it got taken down off the App Store because it was so addictive. People were like messaging the creator, sending death threats. Folks, I think a couple of folks was like offing it. So it was a lot of stupid shit back in the day, right? So long story short, they took the app off the App Store. So same thing. If you had the app, like they can't delete an app off. I mean, they could, but like they would have to really hack your shit and do some super invasion of privacy, right? But it is possible, but like they ain't going to just do it. You know what I'm saying? So basically, for those that's not in America, what happened was I can't remember if it was. I think it was Saturday night. Yeah, so Saturday night, they banned TikTok. TikTok was banned for like 8-9 hours, right? They banned TikTok, and by ban there was like a screenshot saying, "Oh, you can't use the app right now, but when Trump comes in office, we're gonna see if we can, basically unban it, right?" So a lot of people got upset and deleted the app off their phones, right? Everybody was saying, "Oh, F, blah blah." I go to sleep, I wake back up from my nap, and TikTok's unbanned. But the downside is if you deleted the app, it's no longer in the app store. So you can't re-download it, which sucks. I didn't delete it, so I don't gotta worry about that. So still make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, y'all. All right. I'll see you spelled at the bottom of y'all screen. And that just goes to show y'all, again, do not be hasty, especially when it comes to apps. And if you truly think an app is about to be banned, do not delete it off your device, because you'll never be able to get access or re-download it again unless they put it back into the app store. All right, so for those that did delete it, that's in America, unfortunate, but it's most likely going to come back sooner than y'all think, right? But just use that as a lesson for those that don't know that's how apps work when it comes to banning and taking off the app stores. I do like how GU's looking. We're going to see how this closes and see what the next 15 looks like. questions, drop in the chat. We're getting charts, drop in the chat. Excuse me. All right, y'all. We're still gonna be on the charts, but about to be multitasking because I got some stuff to knock out before New York session starts and before I got a one-on-one session. So, like always, y'all, just a quick recap. Again, not every day. As soon as you hop onto the charts, it's gonna be straight action. That's not how every day is. There are gonna be some days like that. That's why I like to do these London session lives so y'all can actually see what realistic trading looks like. Again, when I just listen to chill, calming music, pay attention to what these charts are doing, what these candlesticks are doing, how they are or not, how they are and are not reacting to these levels I got on the screen and all that good stuff. And like always, take advantage of the comment section, ask questions. You know what I'm saying? I might not be saying stuff, but I am on my computer during these live streams, y'all. You know what I'm saying? But again, if you make sure to watch this. Actually, make sure to watch the Sunday chart analysis. Nothing's really changed from the Sunday chart analysis. So. One more time. My thing lagging. All right, so make sure to check out the Sunday chart analysis, right? We might hop in this in a second, y'all. Shout out to everybody in the live. Shout out to everybody that's been live since the beginning. Shout out to everybody that's been live since y'all joined. Make sure to hit that first link in the description. Go to free streaming through Telegram, y'all. If you're interested in learning how to identify these levels, signal service, or my mentorship program. Again, I think the discount is still working because somebody just used it yesterday. But it might end this month. I'm not sure, but I know it's not going on next month, so it might end next month. But again, 25% off everything. 25% off everything. That's the course, one-on-one sessions, the signal room. All you got to do is use discount code MyYear before purchase at checkout. But hold that thought, because we said GB's about to do what we wanted to do. So we might go for a round 2 today, because I do like how I was looking. And if it fails to break this level again, it's either going to be doing ring around the rosy again like it did last week, or until at least after Tuesday. Because again, we do got GBP news tomorrow morning for London session. But I do like how this is looking at here. And I want GN to wake up too, but GN has been. I know once GN breaks this level, I think it's going to take off too. Same thing with GJ. I like how both GJ and GU are looking as well as GU. I like how these are looking at here. All right, y'all. But yeah, we'll be back again. I got a new video dropping for y'all today, so make sure to be on the lookout for that. Yeah, we'll be back at the same time tomorrow, London session 3 EST.